Hello people, this is Pete's Eat. I live in Leeds. Got a new culinary show, if you must. I'm going to be trying foods and takeaways from around Leeds and maybe further afield. We're going to start with the ASDA range of curries. This is Lamb Lamb Karahi. I'm going to try it tonight. It says it serves two, but I'm going to have it because I'm a pig. I love food. So ingredients on the back, you can see all them, and I'm going to do in the oven. I've got hypercientia, which is absolutely fantastic, and it cooks food really quickly. So I'm going to do this in the oven. It's going to be 190 degrees. I'm going to put it on for about half an hour and take it out. I'm going to serve it with rice. I'm called Ben's rice, and 2 naan breads as well. So I'm going to put it in the oven. I did forget to put it in the oven. You need to pierce the film and then put it in the oven for 35 minutes. But I'm going to put it in there for about half an hour and put in the naan bread on top as well later on and cook. So I'll be back when I've done that. So there's karahi in the oven. What I do on this oven as well, it's already on the function that I want, which is chip. So I just turn down the temperature, which is down to that. I put on 190. Then to change the time, put it on there. I put it for 25 minutes. Then what I do is press the play button, and that's it. It started. So I'll bring it back in 25 minutes. So it's been cooking about 10 minutes. What I like to do is this. So when you open the drawer, you'll pause. So you're supposed to really undo. Well, you've got a fan system oven. I would shake it. Shaking it, sort of stirs it as well. Just put it back in for another 10 minutes. So it's got 14 minutes to go, so I'll give it another 10 minutes. And I'll put the naan breads in, and then we'll taste it. Looking forward to it. See you in a minute. Alright, so even though it says there's 8 minutes left, I'm going to take this out now because I think it is cooked. Let's have a quick look at it. Just put it down there. Look at that. Does that look lovely? Or what? Still bubbling. I've got to stir that in a second. I'm just going to do the naan bread first. Make sure I open this up again. Let's get the naan bread out. So, I'm going from ASDA's. I've gone for the garlic and coriander naans. These are quite easy to prepare. Put them there. So, what you do basically, just get a pair of scissors. Open that again, if I've done that wrong. Pair of scissors. Cut it. Put on the cold water tap. Just wet it. Put that up there. Let's put that in there as well. Colour in there. It smells absolutely divine. Yeah, so I'm going to stir that, put the rice on. That'll take 3 to 4 minutes. We'll come back and dish up. I'll see you again in a minute. Just look at the chunks of meat in there, boys and girls. It's absolutely divine. It is a hot curry, so if you don't like spice, don't get it. But just going to pour it on the rice, which I've already got here prepared. I do like a lot of rice. I've done my naan bread. There's a bit. I'm going to dunk in. Taste it for you on camera. No, that tastes absolutely delicious. Like that on there. Let's taste that. I mean, look at the size of the lambs there, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And that bit I was just eating was absolutely fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to devour this, come back, and let you know what it tastes like. See you in a bit. Look at that bit of meat. Can you just see it? It's absolutely huge. Lovely bits of meat in this curry. It is delicious, and the garlic bread is doing, and the garlic naan is doing fantastic as well. I'll bring it back again more finished. Well, there we go, guys. Look at that empty plate. Absolutely delicious. The only thing I wish there was more sauce. There's not a lot, but they have 2 lots of rice, so that sort of negated the sauce. It is a bit hot, but as I say, it was absolutely delicious. The lamb was a bit cheap, but what would you expect in a curry? It did cost £5, so was it worth it? Yeah, I'll give it a 5 out of 5. So I'll be back again soon with another Eat Repeat, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.